Bismillah mon ender Pulaar English. You welcome in Pulaar English.
On calminama so tawi ka koɗo tinno waɗa abonné mbaɗa activer cloche o pour so vidéo keso ari mbawa tinde mbaɗa j'aime woto jejjite wadde partager bandiraɓe.
Assalamu alaikum. 1. Hamid was in bed. 2. Habib and Fatim were at the cinema. 3. Aisha was at the station. 1. Hamidu was in bed. Hamidu wonno ko dow mbaldi. 2. Habib and Fatim were at the cinema. Habibu e Fadim gonno ko to cinema. 3. Aisha was at the station. Aisha wonno ko to gar. Gar woni cinema. Cinema ko nokku jeɓeteɗo télé taw surtout en général wona e galle ko e place mo ganduɗa ko ɗum ɓe liggoto yimɓe garat ene joɓa ene jeeɓa ko ɗum woni cinéma. Station ko gar. Gar ko boowal laaɗe e jorndi woni terrainji to ɗi jofata to ɗi garata ɗo e to ɗi mbaɗata départ ɗum woni gar. 4. Mr. and Mrs. Jam were at the restaurant. 5. Abu was at the beach. 6. And you? I was. 4. Mr. and Mrs. Jam were at the restaurant. Madame et Monsieur Jam gonno koto restaurant. 5. Abu was at the beach. Abu wonno koto dande mayo walla plage. 6. And you? Ande non? I was. Gonnomi jokke bindol I was o jokke ko rewata hen ko gor fof yo haldo wonno yo wat commentaire less parce que lire commentaire uji mon ene wela min no fewi yide do commentaire uji mon dum tagi min jidi I was o jokke gor fof do wonno do yo jokku dum hen. I was at the beach, I was at the restaurant, I was at the hotel, I was at the hospital, wherever. Kalko way wonde. Last year she was 22. So she is 23 now. Today the weather is nice. But yesterday it was very cold. I'm hungry. Can I have something to eat? Last year she was 22. Hitande yawtunde o yaranno ko duuɓi nogas e ɗiɗi. So jonnon she is 23 now. O yarata ko duuɓi nogas e tati joni. Today the weather is nice. Hande weeyo ngo ene fayodini. But yesterday it was very cold. Kono hanki engo ɓuuɓno no fewi, walla ene ɓuuɓno no fewi. I'm hungry. Mbeɗe heyɗi. Can I have something to eat? Mbele won ko mbawmi hebde ko ene nyame. I feel fine this morning, but I was very tired last night. Where were you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Don't buy those shoes. They are very expensive. I feel fine this morning. Mbeɗe samori oɗo subaka. But kono I was very tired last night. Mi tampino no fewi jamma hanki o, walla jamma cakitiɗo o. Where were you at 11 o'clock last Friday morning? Holto gonnoɗa sanga 11 subaka aljuma cakitiɗo. Don't buy those shoes. Woto sod ɗen paɗe. They are very expensive. Ede ceeri no fewi. Bandiraɓe tinnoɗe mbaɗe partage vidéo ji min ɗi. Woto jejjite wadde like vidéo ji. So tawi ka koɗo e chaîne he tinno waɗa abonné. On jarama no fewi e jebgol bandiraɓe. Woto jejjite wadde partage abonné aimé. So wonko jiɗɗa namdade waɗ commentaire. Yo en jewdir ñanonde. Bye.